Be blessed by the divine. What would be the job location for this person? Let's try to solve this using the Krishnamurti Paddhati astrology system. This person was born on the 25th of March 1993 in Chennai at 1:10 p.m. in the afternoon. For job, let's look at the 6th house. The 6th house starts in Scorpio at 28:51:24. The sublord is Saturn. Now, Saturn will give the benefit of Dhanishta star. Dhanishta is owned by Mars, therefore, Saturn will behave whatever Mars directs it to behave. Mars is posited in Gemini at 22:19. At this location, it is about 5 degrees away from where Lagna Bhava starts, and hence Mars will give the benefit of the 12th Bhava, which denotes foreign location for job. Also, Mars owns Scorpio, which denotes the 6th Bhava, which means there is good job prospects for this person, a possibility of a permanent job prospects for this person abroad, because 6-12 combination will give this person job prospects abroad. Mars also owns Aries, which signifies the 11th Bhava. 11th Bhava is fulfillment Bhava. It will give sufficient income for this person through his job. And 6, 11 and 12 combination make sure that this person is going to earn sufficient income with a job abroad. Having said that, you will also notice that Saturn is in the sub of Ketu. Ketu itself is posited in Taurus at 22:30. At this location, it is about 6 degrees away from where the 12th Bhava starts. Therefore, Ketu will give the benefit of the 11th Bhava predominantly. Ketu itself is posited in Rohini Nakshatra in Taurus, which is owned by Moon, and Moon itself owns Cancer, which owns the 2nd Bhava, and Moon is posited in Aries at 309. At this location, it will give the benefit of the 10th Bhava. So, his 6th house sublord is going to give him 2, 6, 10, 11 and 12. Not only he is going to make good money abroad, he is going to make sufficient money, and more than sufficient money. He is going to get name, fame, promotion, everything in his lifetime with a job abroad. Also note that Ketu is in the sign of Venus, and Venus itself is signifying the 10th Bhava, being within 3-degree conjunction of the 10th Bhava, owning the 12th Bhava and owning the 5th Bhava, which also denotes huge income for this person. And Venus is at 22:27, about 60 degrees away from Ketu, and hence at this aspect of 60 degree will make sure that this person is going to earn huge amount of money. And Ketu is aspected by Rahu from 180 degrees in Scorpio, and Rahu itself is in the sign of Mars, which once again gives 6, 11 and 12. In the star of Mercury, Mercury owns the Lagna Bhava, Mercury owns the 4th Bhava, being the owner of Virgo, and Mercury itself is in the 8th Bhava. And there is of course going to be certain challenges. Why is it so? Let's study the star lord of Saturn, which is Mars, and Mars sublord itself is Saturn, which is posited in the 8th Bhava. So the person will go abroad, earn more than sufficient money for his life, but get into troubles and difficulties, and perhaps resign the job, or perhaps being thrown out of the job. He will lose his job, come back to India, settle down here. I hope this little beautiful analysis helps you understand how to predict job location for a person using Krishnamurti Paddhati system. Before I sign off, let me give you another puzzle. Will this person get a job? This is a horary chart. 6th house starts in Scorpio at 24:41. The sublord is Rahu, and Rahu is in Rohini Nakshatra owned by Moon, and it is in the house of Venus, aspected by Ketu from Anuradha Nakshatra in Scorpio, and Anuradha Nakshatra is owned by Saturn. Saturn is retrograde in this horary chart, sitting in Capricorn and beneficially aspecting Rahu in Taurus at 1242. And Moon itself is sitting in the 6th bhava because it is at 2304 within 1 degree conjunction of the 6th bhava. It owns the 2nd bhava. The question is, will this person get a job? Solve this problem. I will see you tomorrow with the solution. Good luck. Be blessed by the divine.